Hello and welcome back. So we're going to work on this piece here, which is like a little bit of a mystery piece, I suppose, at the moment. So it's not going to be exactly like this, but we're kind of going to use it to map out a more intricate part. So if I just want to see, so this is 2 bits, yeah, cool. So what is this actually? Okay, cool. Let's go back here. So if we actually took this out, alright, so there is something underneath there, that's cool, awesome. Okay, so we're going to use this to kind of as a template for another piece. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so a solo, I guess, because I can probably do this without the other pieces there. We'll add some more geometry, not too much, just enough to kind of get some more detail in here. Cool. So we're going to use well, it doesn't really matter, but we'll use inflate anyway. It should give us the best result. Okay. Actually, we might bring this back in just for the moment. So this will leave, so that's that. Okay. So we're going to use move tool, and we're going to move this around. And we'll put that there. Cool. So that's about as far as the pieces need to go. So we'll bring this one out. Cool. That's wow, that's basically all I need to know. So I'll mask that, this, invert, and we'll go move that over there, and we'll put in an inflate here, and we'll put 2 more of these in here. One, 2. Awesome. So that's cool. We're going to need a bit more geometry though. Let's just put this up a little bit. Awesome. So we'll fill these out. Cool. Okay. And we're kind of just going to make a grid now. So like this. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So there's our grid. I'm just gonna fill this in a little bit, just so I can see like where the grid is a little better. And then I'll just cool. Alright, so we've got that grid. Cool. So with these down ones, what we're going to do is build them individually. So we will go and append a Z-sphere. Did that work? Nice. We'll take that Z-sphere and we'll get out of solo. Alright, we'll move this to here. Where are you? There. And we'll scale it down. And we'll put it where it needs to be, which is about there. So I'm going to build this above where it needs to be, and then I'll put it into the geometry. So we'll just scale that down a little bit more. Alright, let's draw. So we need a point there. One there. One there. One there. So essentially what that's done is we've got the gaps 1, 2, 3, and then these all line up with this row here. And we'll just add one more. Just so that it comes off the bottom here. We'll make it a bit thinner. Like so. So we'll just make sure that's all good. Nice. So we might just duplicate that, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to repeat that all the way down until we have them all. But I might do that in my own time. But essentially, we'll do that, and then we'll do some long ones that intersect, and then we'll merge all the geometry together so that it's like one piece, but it should be see-through. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this just gives us a bit of time to play around with some Z-spheres as well. Anyway, I'll leave that there. Hopefully you've had a good Monday, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.